Hey everyone, I am Minyarika Anchor, and today I'll be presenting on how we document issues during operational audits using the
Wow.
CCER or 5C model. This approach helps ensure clarity, consistency, and actionable outcomes in our internal audits reports. Key principles to remember. These three principles are foundational. Keep the client informed and involved. Transparency builds trust and promotes collaboration, and always aim to present findings clearly and simply, avoiding unnecessary jargon. Operational reviews often uncover gaps between expectations and reality. Documenting these discrepancies clearly is critical, and that's where the CCER model comes in. It provides structure to our findings. Good documentation does more than just record issues. It validates our conclusions, keeps stakeholders in the loop, and provides a credible basis for action. It's one of the most important outputs of any audit. The CCER model breaks down findings into five key components: criteria, or what is expected; condition, what actually exists; cause, why the condition exists; effect, impact of the gap; and recommendation, how to fix it. This framework helps auditors present issues in a logical, complete, and actionable manner. CCER or 5C example. Here's a sample application of the model. The expected standard is annual record updates. However, we found 40% of records were outdated. The root cause? No reminders and manual tracking. This results in compliance risk, and the recommendation is to automate reminders and assign accountability. So, the role of internal auditors. Our role as internal auditors is to verify whether processes aligned with expectations, identify gaps, and substantiate findings with solid evidence. We're not just pointing out problems, we're providing insight and support for improvement. What is finding? A finding is more than a simple observation. It's a documented and supported discrepancy that requires attention. And every finding should naturally lead to a recommendation. So, making findings and recommendations persuasive. To drive change, finding must be persuasive. That means quantifying issues, focusing on significant ones, considering cost benefit, and using accessible language. We're storytellers as much as analysts. Enhancing audit findings through critical reflection. Critical thinking ensures our documentation is meaningful and insightful. By reflecting on why the issue occurred and how it impacts operations, we create findings that resonate and drive results. Why it matters. To create persuasive and effective audit findings, auditors must reflect critically during documentation. So, developing useful, pragmatic, and effective recommendation. We have a responsibility to offer recommendations that are not only feasible but add value, go beyond surface level fixes. Think of how the recommendation helps the client improve performance and strategy. So the CCR model keeps us organized and consistent. It's specifically helpful when presenting complex issues because it structures our thinking and communication in a way that easy to follow. So final thoughts. To wrap up, good findings drive action. Using the CCER model helps us document issues clearly and persuasively, helping management make informed decisions. Clear, structured documentation builds trust and leads to improvement. So, thank you very much